In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter on LinkedIn, then invite to others people. If you have found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Currently, I'm using MacBook. If you are using other devices, same method actually. Just follow my instruction. Now, I click on newsletter and click on create newsletter. Then here is the title. I need to write here. This is my newsletter title. Then how often do you want to publish? It's I want to send it's a monthly. If you select daily, weekly as you wish. And here are description, newsletter description. You must be need to write this. So I again going on here. Okay, I already paste newsletter description. Now I need to import an logo, but this is not necessary. Example of I just upload an image from my computer. This is only for example purpose. Okay, once you have done everything, you need to click on done. Then it's already created. So you need to just click on share. Then repush to push a feed and send to in a message. If I click on send a message, lots of people, just select people, then send them. That's it. So this is the method how you can create newsletter on LinkedIn and invite to others. Thanks for watching. See you again.